Subscribe now, because what you're about to witness is pure, unfiltered insanity. A tiny city car transformed into an unhinged beast. A machine so wild it shouldn't exist. And if you love raw power, brutal speed, and the sound of a V8 tearing through the air, drop a comment below. Once upon a time, this was just another city car, a cute little urban companion built for efficiency. Small, quiet, sensible. A car made for narrow streets and easy parking, designed to save fuel, or in this case, run on silent electric power. A car with no business being loud, fast, or dangerous. But some machines refuse to follow the rules. Now it has been transformed. The silence is gone, replaced by a mechanical snarl that sends shivers down your spine. Underneath, a monstrous engine lurks, far too big, far too powerful for something this small. It doesn't just produce speed, it unleashes chaos. The throttle opens and the world around blurs into motion. A brutal surge of power slams through the chassis. The tires scramble for grip, the air fills with the deafening roar of combustion, raw and untamed. This is no ordinary acceleration, it's an event, a force of nature barely contained within steel and rubber. The numbers climb at an unnatural pace, the kind of speed that makes your brain struggle to keep up. Roads that once felt wide now seem terrifyingly narrow. Every input, every movement demands absolute precision. Hesitate for a second, and it will punish you. The road twists and turns, throwing obstacles like a relentless opponent. Hairpin bends, sheer drops. A surface that offers no forgiveness. But this machine was built to fight back. It clings to the asphalt with razor-sharp reflexes, dancing on the fine edge between control and chaos. The tires bite, the body leans, and yet it never hesitates. Inside, the driver is locked in a battle between man and machine. Every move must be perfect, every reaction instant. The adrenaline surges, sharpening every sense. There is no time for fear, only focus. The sound of the engine drowns out everything else, a relentless, growling beast that refuses to be tamed. Then come the flames. The sound shifts, sharper, more aggressive. Downshifts crack like rifle shots. The exhaust spits blue fire, each burst a warning of the violence lurking beneath the surface. This is not just speed, it's fury. A machine that doesn't just move fast, it attacks the road. The limits are pushed further and further. Each corner is a test. Each straight is an open dare to go faster. The world outside turns into a blur of motion, trees and asphalt rushing past in a high-speed symphony of noise and power. The machine never asks for permission, it simply takes what it wants. And just when you think you've reached the limit, there's more. Another surge of power, another violent burst of acceleration. The road stretches ahead, daring you to push even further. The tires claw at the asphalt, the suspension fights to keep everything in check, and the engine screams as if demanding to be unleashed even more. The drive is far from over. Every mile is a new challenge, every corner a fresh battle. The beast under the hood never tires, never slows, always hungry for more speed, more adrenaline, more chaos. This is not just a car, it's a force of nature, raging against the constraints of logic and reason. Some cars are built to be practical, some to be efficient. And then there are machines like this, built for nothing but the sheer thrill of speed. If that doesn't make you rethink what's possible with a city car, nothing will. Hit the subscribe button for more mind-blowing builds. Bye for now. it.